Hi everyone, this is Santosh and welcome to my first ever tutorial on MediaWiki. So this is a series of tutorials on MediaWiki and I'm just making this tutorial specifically for the developers who just want to get started with MediaWiki, right? So without wasting any further time, let me just quickly walk you through what exactly we'll be covering through this series, right? So here we go with the course of content, and so first we'll be just seeing the introduction of MediaWiki. Then we'll just go and see how we can install MediaWiki. So there are two ways installing the MediaWiki. One, we can do it with Docker, and another one we can do it using XAMPP. So once we have installed the MediaWiki, we'll just see how we can add extensions. We'll just understand how extensions in MediaWiki works. We'll start with some very basic extensions like page forms and cargo. They're not really basic, but we'll just see. Yeah, we'll just see how we can create forms using these, how we can create templates, categories, and we'll just also see how we can fetch records from database. There are some cargo queries for that, but as we dig deep into the extensions, we'll just try to extract the records from DB using the MediaWiki queries also, right? Once we are familiar with the extensions, we'll just start developing our own extensions and how the things are connected. And yeah, so this is going to be very interesting point, which is developing own custom extension. So let's get on sturdy with MediaWiki. So introduction to MediaWiki. So it is a wiki software. Now you'll ask, what is a wiki? So a wiki is basically an online publication which is managed by its own users. Like, let's say supposedly there is a user A. He wants to or she wants to write something, some articles. So he just wrote an article on a topic. So there is a user B who comes in and adds something to her article. So yeah, so here what we are doing, it's kind of online publication where it is getting managed by its own users. So one of the best example of these kind of framework is our Wikipedia. So Wikipedia is a place where people are coming and adding articles, editing articles, adding more informations. So you are allowed to add contents, articles, categories, right? So even you can edit the existing articles. So this is what wiki is all about, right? So MediaWiki is a framework using which you can create your own wikis. So if we talk about this Wikipedia, so Wikipedia is a platform which has been developed over the framework of MediaWiki, right? So just this is what MediaWiki is. It is a framework for creating wikis, right? And so we can see it as an open source wiki software. We can call it as a wiki software. It is managed by its own users. As we have seen, like there can be people editing one articles. More than one people can add or edit one article. So it is managed by its own users. It provides a better way of organizing the knowledge. So as people can edit, so they just want to they can just organize the knowledge, right? So at the core it uses PHP and it uses RDBMS to store the data, right? So we'll just dig deep into this in the further coming tutorials. For this I guess this was pretty much it about this introduction. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.